we will have a special presentation. See y'all in a minute. Welcome back, guys. So today we're making Miss Lidia's favorite dessert. And as you may know, she likes our mom's version. Today we're making banana pudding. Usually we make stuff real-like, but we're making this in honor of Miss Lidia.
Alright, so to get started, you will need 6 ripe bananas, 1 box of vanilla wafers, which we poured into this bowl, Mom's special banana pudding mix, whipped cream, and Miss Lydia's favorite part, the caramel. We already have the banana cut into slices, and now it's time to assemble.
While Chef Margaret's assembling the banana pudding, me and Chef Terrell. That's yeah. Chef Terrell and I will be working on our project for our presentation. Today's sidebars.
And now it's time for today's sidebar. Today's sidebar is important. Our mom and dad felt today's sidebar needed to be shared with everyone. It's called Sharing Memories. We told you guys last week that autistic people live in the moment. And when a loved one passes, they sometimes don't know how to respond or don't know what's going on. Rather than making them feel sad, sit with them and share pictures and remember the good times you had with them. We understand change is a very hard thing. But if we keep them in a happy place, it's easier for the children to deal with. And that's today's sidebar.
And we wanted to do something special for Miss Lidia. Her birthday was on September 14th, and we wanted to let her family know that she is truly missed.
So today, from the Kidz Cooking Show to Miss Lidia's family, we wanted to make her favorite dessert and play a song. My cookie. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Miss Lidia, from the Kidz Cooking Show. Woo! This for you. This for you. Break it down in the studio. Okay, so this is our last episode for season 2. We will be doing another interview session next Sunday, September 23rd at 4 p.m. on Facebook Live. So come prepared with lots of questions like last time. Season 3 holiday episode starts on October 7th, so see you soon.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Invite someone to subscribe as well. Say bye, Terrell. Bye. Adios.
Adios. We miss you, Miss Lidia.